In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Evernote, an incredibly useful skill that can help you organize information neatly and efficiently. Whether you're structuring data for work, school, or personal projects, knowing how to create tables in Evernote can vastly improve your productivity and the clarity of your notes. So, let's dive right in. First up, you need to navigate to the note where you'd like to add a table. You can choose to either create a new note, which gives you a fresh canvas to work on, or you can open an existing note that perhaps needs some better organization. This step is important because it sets the stage for where your table will reside, ensuring that your information is structured right where it's needed. Now, let's insert the table. You'll start by looking at the toolbar in the note editor. It's filled with various icons designed to enhance your note-taking experience. The icon you want to look for is the blue plus sign, situated among the other tools. Clicking this blue plus sign is your gateway to a host of additional options that you can integrate into your notes. Once you click on the blue plus sign, a drop-down menu will present itself. This menu is filled with options, but for now, you'll want to direct your attention to the option labeled Table. Click on Table, and just like magic, a table will appear within your note. By default, Evernote inserts a standard 2x2 table. This basic structure serves as a great starting point for just about any type of data you need to organize. From here, you're able to add more rows and columns to tailor the table to your specific needs. This flexibility allows you to craft a table that's as simple or complex as you need it to be, whether you're jotting down quick notes or creating a detailed plan. Consider what information you're planning to input. Think about how best to organize your data for clear communication. You might envision the table as a grid where each cell holds critical data, making it easy to scan and understand. Additionally, as you work with the table, you can continue to edit its structure, adding or deleting rows and columns, or adjusting the content as needed. In summary, adding a table in Evernote involves opening a note, using the toolbar to find the blue plus sign, selecting Table from the drop-down menu, and then utilizing the default 2x2 table as your starting point. This process is straightforward yet powerful, offering you a convenient method to arrange and access your information in a visually appealing way. With tables in your notes, you'll find that your thoughts are not only captured, but also categorized and instantly retrievable. So there you have it, the simple steps to enhance your Evernote experience.